Welcome to Reality Beyond the Mind. In this video, we'll explore the origins of the soul, its journey to Earth, and the profound nature of existence across the multiverse. Every soul that exists comes from a higher self, a powerful, luminous being of pure energy. Imagine it as a radiant ball of light, pulsing with wisdom and love. This higher self exists in dimensions far beyond the physical, in realms of high frequencies and deep consciousness. These realms are not material. They are planes of pure energy, connection, and awareness. But where do these higher selves come from? They, in turn, originate from God, the source of all that is. God is pure light, energy, and love, eternal and infinite. God has always existed and will always exist, a constant and unchanging presence. Souls, as expressions of God, are eternal as well. Through souls, God experiences himself. At the deepest level of existence, everything is one whole. All beings, dimensions, and experiences are interconnected as aspects of God. However, when souls are born on Earth, they forget this unity. They experience separation from God, from their true essence, and from the oneness that binds all creation. This illusion of separation is part of the earthly experience and allows for growth, self-discovery, and the evolution of consciousness. When a soul is born into earthly life, it's as if a fragment of this higher self descends into the physical realm, taking on a human form to experience life here. After death, the soul doesn't cease to exist. Instead, it returns to its higher self, reuniting with its full, boundless essence, and, ultimately, with God. Earth is one of the most challenging and rewarding learning platforms in the multiverse. The physical realm is dense and restrictive, filled with trials, pain, and joy. Souls are drawn here because of the profound growth that comes from navigating the complexities of human life, learning lessons of love, patience, compassion, and resilience. Each lifetime offers the soul an opportunity to gain experience, refine its essence, and contribute to the collective evolution of consciousness. It's said that souls are particularly brave to choose Earth as their learning ground, as its challenges often feel overwhelming. Deep within, many people carry a subtle ache, a sense of missing their true home. This homesickness is a longing for the higher frequencies from which their soul originated. Some even carry faint memories of past lives, though in reality, time is an illusion. There is no past or future. There is only the eternal now. In the eyes of God, there is no good or evil, no positive or negative. These concepts are created by observers who assign value and meaning to events and experiences. Without an observer, there is only information, a boundless field of everything that ever was, is, or will be. This information contains the entirety of existence, past, present, and future. Every possible outcome, every decision, every moment exists simultaneously in this infinite sea of knowledge. What we perceive as duality, light versus dark, good versus evil, only arises when we observe and interpret it. From God's perspective, all experiences are valuable, and all paths lead back to the source. Life is not about judgment or division. It's about experience and growth. Our universe is composed of 12 primary levels or dimensions, each vibrating at a different frequency. The lowest of these dimensions is the physical, what we perceive as solid, tangible reality. But this is only a small fraction of existence. Beyond the physical lies the multiverse, an infinite array of realities, each populated with higher selves. These beings exist in countless forms, some beyond our understanding. They reside in planes where thought, energy, and intention are the building blocks of reality. The multiverse is teeming with life. Some beings exist in physical bodies like us, but on planets vastly different from Earth. Others exist as energy or consciousness, free from the constraints of form. On these non-physical planes, communication is instantaneous, creation is effortless, and existence is a harmonious dance of energy.
Across the universe, countless planets host life in both physical and non-physical forms. Some civilizations are highly advanced, existing in dimensions just beyond our perception. Their technology and understanding of the cosmos far surpass our own because they've learned to harness the energy that binds all things. On physical planets, life can take forms we'd never imagined. Creatures with abilities and adaptations suited to their unique environments. On non-physical planes, existence transcends form altogether. Here, beings are pure consciousness, interacting and evolving through thought and vibration. These civilizations, whether physical or non-physical, are deeply connected to their higher selves. They understand the unity of existence, the flow of energy, and the purpose of the soul's journey. At its core, everything around us is energy. The walls, the sky, the people you meet, all of it is energy vibrating at different frequencies, taking on forms that our physical senses can perceive. When we begin to see beyond the material, we understand that life is not limited to what we experience on Earth. The multiverse is vast and interconnected, and our souls are eternal travelers within it. Every experience, every lifetime is a thread in the grand tapestry of existence. Though we may feel separate from God while living on Earth, this separation is only an illusion. At the deepest level, we are always connected to the divine source, to our higher selves, and to one another. The journey of the soul is one of constant growth and expansion. From the highest frequencies of the multiverse to the dense challenges of Earth, every step is purposeful. As we navigate this physical life, we carry within us the light of our higher self, a reminder of where we come from and where we will return. Through each soul, God experiences creation. The multiverse is a canvas on which God paints, and every soul is a brushstroke. Life is not about duality or judgment, but about experience, learning, and growth. Though life on Earth is demanding, it is also a gift. It allows us to experience love, loss, wonder, and growth in ways unique to this realm. And no matter how distant our true home may feel, we are never truly separate from it. Everything is one whole. Thank you for joining us on this exploration. If this resonates with you, share your thoughts and experiences in the comments. And remember, your soul's journey is extraordinary, and the multiverse awaits your awakening.